Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are looking at how to use Canva and how to make a YouTube banner. So first you want to go to canva.com, and then after you get here, click on sign up if you don't have an account. And then here you can use any of these ways to log in. I'm gonna just use Google, so just click on it and then you will log in. Alright, work together. They have a extra features, but it's usually paid for, so you have to pay. But the good thing about Canva is that there's a lot of free stuff you can use it for. I remember in school we could use it for like posters and brochures. So if you want to make a YouTube banner, just come here, search up YouTube banner. And then it will give you some templates. So these are already set. You can choose any one of these, but if it has this little crown on the bottom right, it means you have to have Canva Pro, like pay for stuff. But if it doesn't, like this one doesn't, you can just use that, and you can use those. But if it says paid or has a crown, you can't use it unless if you have paid for a subscription. So there's a lot of selections you can choose from. This one looks nice, so does that one, but I like this one the most. So you just click on customize the template, which will open up a new tab and bring you to this. And then here you can just move things around, and most of these are all like elements you can move around. And like text, you can just like double click and then change it to your own website or link, or you could put like IG and then whatever. And then if you want to like add a IG logo, just put this, and then it brings it here. You can make that smaller, and then you would have added your IG there, and then you could do that for other stuff. And then you could change this to your name. And then picture, you could delete this, delete image, and then you keep the frame. So you could click here. I don't think you add, but you can delete this, and then you could upload your own photo on here, which you just click on uploads and then go to upload files. And then you could just like choose your picture to upload. But let's say you want to start from scratch. To do that, you'll have to create new design. Then go to YouTube banner. Click on that. And there will be a blank canvas where you can see templates that if you like, or you can just like start from scratch. Like you change the background color by clicking this. And then you can make it black, gray, however you like, and then you could add pictures and elements from here. Let's say you're doing like a shoe YouTube channel. Just put shoe, and put like any type of shoes. I like these. Let's actually make the background white or gray. Bit smaller, and then you can just like add it anywhere you want. And if you want to, you can like place the background so it can become the whole background. You can do a lot and just play around with it. But once you're done, you'll click on share, and then click on download, and then it'll download to your computer. It'll just pop up here, and then you can go to your YouTube channel settings and like channel dashboard to add it. So if we go here, you can click on your account, go to customize channel, and then you could just like upload your YouTube banner. Yeah, banner image. You click change and then add it from here. And that is how you create a YouTube banner using Canva. Thank you for watching.